Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Merchandiser Refrigerator New Model 2021.
Top 10.
Coolmore MDR9C Commercial Glass 1-Door Display Refrigerator Merchandiser, Upright Beverage Cooler 9 Coo. Fort Black Commercial Refrigerator Cooler, ideal for commercial businesses or convenience stores. Or upright beverage cooler can be used for storing beer bottles, soda cans, energy drinks, sports and fitness beverages. Double pane tempered glass. The Coolmore Merchandiser Refrigerator utilizes premium grade glass to help eliminate condensation and maintain internal cabinet temperatures, which helps maintain glass clarity. Adjustable temperature control. Utilizing a simple turn dial, our beverage cooler can be adjusted from 1 to 7 based on the contents inside to ensure optimal coldness without freezing liquids. A smart choice for drinks, foods, or other items. Energy efficient lighting, along with LED lighting at the top, to create a more engaging display. There's an independent light switch that you can turn off before you head home to help save energy and reduce overall costs. Meet strict service standards, along with being backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Our beverage refrigerator is certified by ETL to ensure safe working temperatures and conditions. This unit 2.3 amps, 115 V and 60s dimensions, 22.6 watts x 23.2 dx 67.1 H.
Top 9.
True GTM 26H CLD Single Swing Glass Door Merchandiser Refrigerator with Hydrocarbon Refrigerant and LED lighting. Holds 33 degree F to 38 degree F, 78.625 height, 29.875 width, 30 length. An attractive glass door merchandiser that brilliantly displays packaged food and beverages with low utility costs. From the world's #1 manufacturer of glass door merchandisers, factory engineered, self-contained capillary tube system using environmentally friendly R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant that has 0 ozone depletion potential and 3 global warming potential. Energy efficient, factory balanced refrigeration system. Holds 33 degrees F to 38 degrees F, 0.5 degrees centigrade to 3.3 degrees centigrade. Low-E, double pane thermal insulated glass door assembly with mitered plastic channel frame. The latest in energy efficient technology. 5 adjustable, heavy duty PVC coated wire shelves, 25 11/16 liters x 23 1/4 D, 653 millimeters x 591 millimeters. Shelves are adjustable on a half, 13 millimeters increments.
Top 8.
Duker's LG 430 15.1 cubic feet. Commercial display cooler merchandiser refrigerator display and showcase all your merchandise with super bright LED lighting and a backlit customizable marquee. Temperature range 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Dimensions WXDXH 24 and 3/8 x 27 and a half x 81 and 5/8. Digital controls with LED display. Includes forecasters to easily move and position anywhere.
Top 7.
Ziltech Large Capacity Glass Front Double Door Display Cooler Merchandiser Refrigerator 45 Coo. Fort dimensions 53 and 1/8 wide x 31 and 7/8 deep x 79 and 3/8 tall, 45 cubic. Fort capacity. Please check individual seller policies and reviews by clicking on any available offers under these details. High-value orders can remain in pending status with Amazon for several days. Please track your order status, as shipping windows will change. Contact Amazon to address payment issues to avoid delays in shipping. 1-year parts warranty, 5-year compressor part warranty. Commercial triple paned, black frame trims, thermal insulated glass DOORS R290 refrigerant LED lighting, and 8 adjustable shelves.
Top 6.
Duker's DSM 12R 11.4 cubic feet. Commercial single glass swing door merchandiser refrigerator. Spacious 11.4 cubic feet capacity. Display and showcase all your merchandise with super bright LED lighting and a backlit customizable marquee. Temperature range 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees. Dimensions WXDXH 24, 75 x 25, 5x81. Digital controls with LED display. Low noise rating when in operation to prevent unwanted disturbances. Includes forecasters to easily move and position anywhere. 2-year parts and labor. 5-year compressor. No warranty for residential use.
Top 5.
EdgeStar VBM 100 122-inch wide 10.1 Coo. Fort Commercial beverage merchandiser with temperature alarm and reversible door, 10.1 cubic feet of storage, with four adjustable shelves included, for use in built-in or freestanding applications. Cools to temperatures as low as 34 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing beverages to get as close to freezing as possible. Door ajar alarm will sound if the door is open for an extended period of time, and temperature alarm help ensure beverages remain cold. Easily monitor and change the temperature with the sleek touch control panel, and LED lighting elegantly displays your beverage collection. Dimensions: depth 23.5 x height, 64.3 x width, 22.
Top 4.
Duker's DSM 19R 18.7 cubic feet. Commercial display cooler merchandiser refrigerator, spacious 18.7 cubic feet capacity display, and showcase all your merchandise with super bright LED lighting and a backlit customizable marquee. Temperature range: 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Dimensions: WXDXH 29.5 x 27 x 79.5. Digital controls with LED display. Low noise rating when in operation to prevent unwanted disturbances. Includes 4 casters to easily move and position anywhere. Manufacturer warranty for business and commercial use only. 2-year parts and labor. 5-year compressor.
Top 3.
Duker's DSM 15R 14.7 cubic feet. Commercial display cooler merchandiser refrigerator, spacious 14.7 cubic feet capacity display, and showcase all your merchandise with super bright LED lighting and a backlit customizable marquee. Temperature range: 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees. Dimensions: WXDXH 27.18 x 26 x 76 and 3/8. Digital controls with LED display. Includes 4 casters to easily move and position ANYWHERE. 5-wire shelves. 2-year parts and labor. 5-year compressor.
Top 2.
Deep cold single glass door commercial refrigerator retail merchandiser cooler, 14 cubic ft. Dimensions: 25.6 watts x 22.8 dx 79.4. Energy efficient and environmentally friendly. R290 refrigerant lighting and adjustable shelves. Digital controller with adjustable temperature and defrost. SETTINGS. 1-year parts and labor warranty. 5-year compressor part warranty.
Top 1.
Coolmore MDR1 GD13C23 commercial glass 1-door display refrigerator merchandiser upright beverage cooler with LED lighting. 13 coup Fort Black gorgeous display refrigerator. This beautiful 1-door merchandiser refrigerator will bring the cool to your store, perfect for displaying all types of drinks, groceries, and fresh flowers. Spaces cool as spacious 12.7 cubic feet, inspires exciting display possibilities. 4 easily adjustable shelves allow you to customize your display as needed. Dimensions: 22.8 liters x 24 watts x 78H. LED and LED light strip will make your product shine bright. A light box with a customizable canopy and tempered glass doors with hot air for anti-fogging will help your product stand out. Cooler features self-closing doors with lock and key, reliable and easy to use external digital control and display for temperature control, and auto defrost timer. 35 to 46 temp range. Listed for safety and sanitation, NSF compliant to ANSI 7 standard for commercial refrigerators. R290 refrigerant, 4 casters for convenient movement.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.